What up, YouTubers? Pegasus here. Welcome back to another video. And this is gonna be a 5 cornerbacks with me. So yeah, we'll get onto it right away. So let's see what we're aiming for. Van Persie 101, I guess. Hope this is a lucky packet. Okay. So we have the 2 cards over here. Juan Mata and whoa, cool. Robin Van Persie. Star player. Nice card. Bad card. I have 3 of these now. Okay, the thing is, like each and every combo box I open has this in it. I don't know why. Maybe not everything. Let's say 3 of it. Now I have 3 of these. That's stupid. Well, never mind. So this is for trade anyway. So I'm gonna open now 5 packets. That over there. First pack. So yeah. Alright. Fine, so Antonio Valencia, Craig Dawson, Ojbro, I don't know how to pronounce that, Hugo Loris, and Lou Shari for trade. Alright, 4 more packs to go. Oh, that was terrible. Never mind. Leonard Figueroa, Bobby Zamora, Steven Taylor, Brett Holman, and Aaron Lennon, man of the match. Wow, good card. Simon Mignolet, Glenn Johnson, Anthony Pilkington, Yaya Toure, and Christian Winter for trade. So yeah, by the way guys, I have a Cheik 100 club for trade. So if anyone is interested, well, you know what to do, I guess. Comment down below. Yeah, that's right. Okay. So base packet. Esmer Begovic, Jan Verta, whatever. I have no idea how to pronounce these names. Claudio Jacob, Samir Nasri, Chico Flores, base packet. Okay, so mouse pad. Alright, so they have a L Vespa much forward. Okay, so who can this be? West Bow. Chelsea midfielder. Oh, Juan Mata. Newcastle midfielder. No, not fit. Alright, so it's Hayton Ben Alpha. Daniel Agar. Cool. That's a cool card. Alright, so this looks like a star player for me, because I felt the card behind. Hope it's not that card. It is. Fine. Peter Odomengi for trade. Why did they all... Never mind, so the trade cards over here. Trade, blue sherry, trade, and Juan Mata trade. So, trade cards. And I have okay, so I have some base for trade too, but not so much. But Steven Gerrard, Theo Walcott, Mark Wenger, Juan Guerrero, Sasha Razor, Shinji Kagawa, Robert Snodgrass, and Mario Balotelli. So those are the cards for trade. Base. So yep. So the hits for today is Robin Van Persie, star player, and Aaron Lennon. So yep. I don't think I have a base repeat in this box, so that's good. That's very good indeed. So yep, that was that, guys. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more epic videos, and I'll see you all later.